आसनसोल इंजीनियरिंग कॉलेज लूँ या बीपी पोदार? आई थिंक दैट आसनसोल इंजीनियरिंग कॉलेज का भाई मैंने सुना है कैंपस बहुत अच्छा है ना बीपी पोदार आई थिंक दैट प्लेसमेंट इज फाइन इन टर्म्स ऑफ सीएससी अदर। भाई बीपी पोदार मीन सिचुएशन भी है कोलकाता में, but no, someone tell that yeah Asansol have a good faculties women and other thing. So hey guys, are you in these type of doubt about the BP Poddar Institute of Tech Management and Technology and Asansol Engineering College? Then I think that this video is very important for you, because in this video I will make detailed comparison in BP Poddar Institute of Management and Technology that is situated in Kolkata and Asansol Engineering College. So I will give you the complete detail about this two particular institution and I will make the detailed comparison. So first of all guys, if you are new viewer to my channel, then don't forget to support my channel for such important video, because in this channel you will get all type of college reviews, college pros and con and other things that okay. And in coming days also you will get a complete detail about that what should we do inside the college, how means what is CA mark, PCA marks, means all things after getting into the college. Also this channel will help you, so make sure to support my channel so that I will provide you important video. So let us move to our comparison without wasting our time. So as I said you that I will make the detailed comparison between the BP Poddar, okay, Institute of Management and Technology, and that is situated in Kolkata, versus Asansol Engineering College that is situated in Asansol. So these are the two very important institute under WBJ, and I will make the detailed comparison, and I hope that after viewing this video your all confusion regarding this is clear that which college should I choose. Okay, so guys make sure to watch the video from beginning to end without skipping anything. Okay, भाई वीडियो को अंत तक देखें, क्योंकि if you will not watch the video then there may be various confusion और confusion ज्यों का त्यों रह जाएगा. So make sure to watch the video till end. So let us start our comparison. So as usual, before making any comparison there are some parameters on the basis of which a college should be compared. Okay, so these are the some various parameter that is on the basis of which I will make comparison. So first is the location, second campus, what about the placement, is it good for particular university means college or other college, what is the cutoff range, because you know na cutoff is very important. Later I will talk about the infrastructure, fees, hostel, NRF ranking, and at the last, that is very important, I will give my opinion. So what about my opinion this, that should I choose the BP Poddar Institute of Management Technology or Asansol? So I will give you my final opinion on the basis of these comparison too. So let us move to our first parameter, that is the location and establishment. So when this college are established and what is about the location. So you can see here that BP Poddar Institute of Management Technology, it was established in 1999 and Asansol was established in 1998. And this is actually situated in BP Poddar situated in Kolkata, and Asansol is situated means Asansol Engineering College that is situated in the Asansol. Okay, so in terms of location, yeah, you are means clearly understanding that Kolkata that is a good city. So in terms of location, BP Poddar is leading. Okay, moving to next section, that is the campus. So what about the campus life of this, because you have to spend valuable 4 years in this college, so you must know about the campus. So BP Poddar a very low campus and Asansol have a moderate campus, means greater than the BP Poddar. Okay, have a no scope for sports. Obviously why, if there is no any campus life, means no any campus means small campus, then how can you get involved in sports? So this have a no any scope for sports, and Asansol have a little scope for sports, means yeah, you will get some basic sports facilities. So if you are means if you want to enjoy some sports life too, then Asansol will be the best option for you. So I have already mentioned that it have a little campus and Asansol means more than little average campus. Okay, ये भी नहीं कहूँगा भाई कि बहुत बड़ा है, but yeah, comparison to BP Poddar it is fine. Moving to next parameter, that is the placement. By this is the ultimate goal of every student. Okay, every student want to or every student see the college review especially for this section. That is very important, because you know पैसा is the most important things for any students. Okay, अब आप बोले भाई नहीं बोले, but yeah, this is the ultimate and the real truth. Okay, and that must be the truth, because the main goal of education is also to other things, but paisa matters. Okay, so what about the placement of these two important colleges? So I am giving you the overview of this, that is the in BP Poddar, if you take admission in CSC and IT, then yeah, you will get almost 87%. Okay, means all of the means among the eligible candidate, total 87% is got their placement, okay. And 50 to 55 to 60% in core branches. As usual, I have already mentioned that most of the WJ college is not applicable, means good for the core branches. Either you can say the heritage, IM, so these are means lagging in terms of core branches, then you can understand the vision of BP Podar. But yeah, I have already mentioned a video that branch doesn't decide your placement, okay. If you belong to any branch, mechanical or electrical and any branch, then yeah, you will get placed, but you must do your work. You must do work according to the means company that what they want, okay. So branch doesn't matter, don't be in a dilemma, okay. So this is actually data, but data is not valid for a particular person. If you have potential, then you will get placed, no doubt. Talking about the Asansol, so it have a more than 70% in CSC and core branches almost same. Average package for this is 3.7 to 4.0 lakhs, and for the Asansol 3.3 to 3.6 lakh. Talking about the company that visited, so almost same company, that is the TCS, Grave, Cognizant, Infosys, Accenture. So these are the variety of company besides the Tech Mahindra. Sometimes Amazon also came in BP Podar Institute of Management and Technology, okay. And in Asansol, TCS, that you know, mass reading company that came, Wipro, Grave, Infosys, same, but Amazon something means low time came, okay. So this is all about the placement statistics up to. So you can clearly visualize that it is greater than in BP Podar, okay. So in terms of placement, especially for the CSC and IT, I am talking in terms of placement, BP Podar is leading. I am giving you the reason that why it is leading, because it is situated in the Kolkata, and you know that is the prominent city in the West Bengal. So more company visited and also have a good location wise too. So in terms of placement, BP Podar is increasing. Moving to next very important section, that is the cutoff, okay. So before talking about the cutoff, guys, if you are if you are enjoying this video and if you are getting something from video, then तब तक भाई like कर दे वीडियो को, and if you will get the something, then you must share to your friends so they can also get help from too, okay. So let us talk about the cutoff. So what about the cutoff of this institution? So for the BP Podar, if you have a cutoff range, means for I am talking about the CSC, for the general candidate, if you have a cutoff range from 4,816 and up to 14,413, okay, then you may get, means you will get this in BP Podar, but condition is that you must do counseling in good way, okay. So if you are in doubt regarding counseling too, then you can contact me, means you can join my Telegram channel, and if you got paid counseling at nominal price, then you can personally contact me at Instagram. I will certainly help you and I will do counseling on the basis of you, okay. So you can contact me too. Talking about the EC, so you can clearly visualize the cutoff range 10,896 and go 38,1,000, and you can have a clear vision about the other two. So you can also take the screenshot. For the Asansol Engineering College, I am talking about the round 3, okay. Both the college I am talking about the round 3. For CSC, if you have a cutoff range from 5,646 and up to 31, then you can easily get into this college, okay. So there are various users and various viewers, they are demanding that bhaiya, I have a low WBJ rank, which college should I prefer for CSC? So yeah, Asansol may be your good option, okay. And also I have already mentioned the JIS and other two, so you can apply for that, okay. And for your kind information, let me tell you that if you want a detailed review of these colleges, then I have already made the detailed review of BP Podar and Asansol. If you want a detailed review of particular the college, then you can also check out that video in my playlist, okay. So this is the cutoff range for CSC, start from 5,646 that I have already mentioned and go up to 31,878. For CSBS, that is a new branch, so it will start from 10,732 and go up to 63,000, okay. EC, it start from the 15,082 and go up to 64,198. For IT, it start from the 20,330 20,890 and go up to 52,812, okay. So this is all about the cutoff. Moving to next very important, infrastructure. So what about the infrastructure of this college? So in terms of infrastructure, both have same, means BP Podar also have a good infrastructure and Asansol have a good, okay. Infrastructure means I am talking about the other means basic facilities. Beside that, what about the labs and things? So in terms of them, means both are almost same, okay. So you can't decide on this infrastructure, okay. Little bit maybe vary, but overall same. Talking to next very important, what about the hostel? And again, hostel is very important for any person, especially for the girls candidate, because they are in search of a hostel, okay. So if you are wanting to enjoy hostel life, then BP Podar have no any hostel facility. Yeah, they have some collaboration, but officially they have no any hostel. Asansol Engineering College have a hostel, and you will enjoy the average kind of food, okay. So food by ऐसे भी you know that in hostel there is a average quality of food. So Asansol Engineering College provide hostel and BP Podar have no any hostel. So in terms of hostel, Asansol Engineering College is good. Moving to next, that is fee structure of this. Because again why fee structure is important for any. So what about the fee structure? Okay, so this is the fee structure of BP Podar, that is 1.16 lakh for the BTECs, and for Asansol this is the 1.34 lakh. I don't recognize that why this is a more in Asansol, because although means BP Podar should have the more because it is situated in Kolkata, but yeah, I think that they are providing some extra facilities in Asansol, so for that reason they are getting, means they are taking that more fee. Okay, so this is all the fee structure, and let me clear you that this is the fee structure of the previous year. This year they haven't updated on the website, so when they will update I will provide in the description. Okay, so no need to worry about that. Okay, and there may be a slight change. Okay, ज़्यादा change वही होगा नहीं. Okay, moving to next section and last, that is NRF ranking. So NRF ranking in BP Podar 201 in 2021. Okay, and Asansol have no any data available. Okay, so if you don't know about the NRF ranking, then let me tell you in a short that NRF ranking is actually a national level ranking for all the college, that is basically provided by the government of India. They have some criteria too or parameter that I have already mentioned. Besides that, they have some other parameter that what about the research work, what about the placement and all things. So according to that they give the NRF ranking. Okay, so this is all about the NRF ranking of both the college. Now moving to last and very important section. भाई कहना क्या चाह रहे हैं? What does actually you want to say? Should I prefer the BP Podar Institute of Management and Technology or Asansol Engineering College? Okay. So according to my opinion, I will give my opinion on the basis of particular facts. Okay. So if you are the students wanting to enjoy a good campus life with a hostel life and overall means good, then you must prefer the Asansol Engineering College. But if you are the student wanting a good placement, I am just focusing on the placement. So if you want a good placement and if your prime goal is to get placed into good company, then you must prefer the BP Podar Institute of Management Technology, because you can see clearly visual that I have already mentioned in terms of placement. So in terms of placement, why here? So in CSC you are saying that 87%, but Asansol have just 70% in CSC. So in terms of placement, BP Podar is far better. Also they are providing the good average package. Okay. So in terms of placement, if your only goal is to get placed in a good company, then BP Podar will be the best option. But if you want to be in overall college life, enjoy college overall life, then you must choose the Asansol Engineering College. That is a good college too. Okay, I have already talked to various students and they're saying yeah, that's all fine. A little bit difficulty for the, especially for the outside candidate, means in means under WJ, that they most of teacher talk on the Bangla language. They will talk in English, but yeah, most of them are mother tongue is Bangla, so there may be difficulty for outsider. Okay, but yeah, overall means you will learn. Okay, no any doubt. Okay, so guys, this is all the detailed comparison about the Asansol Engineering College and BP Podar Institute of Management Technology. I hope guys, after viewing this video, your all doubt regarding these two colleges is clear and your all confusion got clear that which should I prefer, either Asansol or that. Okay, so this is all about the comparison. I hope guys you get something from a video. If you get something from a video, then don't forget to hit the like button and share with your friend so they can also get help from my video. Okay, सो गाइस अगर वीडियो अच्छा लगा तो फिर से बोल रहा हूँ, लाइक कर दे, शेयर करे, सब्सक्राइब कर दे. ओके, फॉर फर्दर इंपॉर्टेंट वीडियो. सो फिलहाल इस वीडियो में इतना ही था. टिल देन बाय बाय, मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट वीडियो में. जय हिंद.
Oh